Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sadiqa Atira. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some spring clothing that I got recently that you can wear this season. And some of it I got from Target, most of it I got from Target, some of it I got from Forever 21. I'll be showing you what each item is, the pricing, and I'll be trying it on for you guys as well. And the best part about all of this is that none of it's going to go over 20 bucks. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely stay tuned and we can get right this spring. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. But before I do that, let's talk about if we're even going to be able to wear these things out and about. TBA. However, that does not mean that you should not be shopping for cute things, because some of these things I actually got last year and I still haven't worn them. So still go shopping, be hopeful, and at some point you'll be on the beach somewhere wearing your spring dress. Okay, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I have here is this romper that I got from Target just yesterday actually. And it's a really cute salmon color. It's got spaghetti straps that are adjustable. And it's got buttons that go all the way down, and they're shorts. And the pleat goes all around the bottom of the romper. I love this color. Personally, it looks good on my skin tone, but yes. And this is only 20 bucks at Target. Alrighty, can't wait to show this one on. Okay guys, here's the first look. I really like this color on my skin tone, like I said. You know, I really wish this had pockets. That would have really did a number. That would have for sure made this look like, okay, she got the pockets with the tan shoes. Yeah, and I like it with the tan shoes because I think it creates a nice color contrast. And then the second thing I got is also from Target, and it's this blue floral spring dress, and it is super flowy, super comfortable. And this dress was only $16. What a steal. And I like it because it's not super form-fitting. I got it a size up on purpose just because when it's the spring and it starts to get hot, I just like to have flowy clothing that looks comfortable but is still super cute. And that's what I was going for this dress. As you can see in the back, it's got the second band in the back. It also has adjustable straps there. Super fun dress. I'm loving the way that this color looks on me. I like the way that this dress is cut. It's super flowy. This is it right here. I'm all about comfort, and it's stylish. I'm wearing this dress with some Doc sandals, my faves, and they pretty much go with anything, and they kind of bring like a nice casual appeal to this dress. This dress, also from Target, same exact style, just different print. So super bright. This screams Easter to me. So with that coming up super soon, I thought this would be perfect to wear. And you can pull out like any color from this dress. There's red, there's green, there's pink, there's white. You can literally pull out any color with your accessories, your nails, whatever color you want, it's all gonna work. Same band in the back. This dress also only 16 bucks. Here's the exact same dress in a yellow orangey color. I love it. Same style. Ooh, it's windy out here. Ooh, ooh, feeling like Marilyn Monroe. Oops. No, but seriously, this is super cute. I love it. I'm almost thinking I'm liking this dress a little bit better than the blue. Either one is fine. This is more summer to me. Oh yeah. Oh my god, are those flowers? like my dress? Yes, okay. Getting into something that I bought a while ago is this yellow dress from Forever 21. And this is a super bright dress that is perfect to wear with anything really. Sandals, tennis shoes, it just works with it all. And I have a little denim jacket that I got also from Forever 21 that I'll be wearing together. Okay. Now this is my favorite look probably. I love a nice bright dress with a denim jacket. I threw on a jade type stone necklace to add a nice touch of color. Just tying it up to add a different type of look. It's cute up, but I personally like it all the way down. I put the tan shoes back on just because I feel like the tan brings it neutral at the bottom since I have so much vibrancy going on at the top. Super cute. And it's really nice even without the denim. So just gonna give you a little sneak peek of both. I'm serving catalog vibes, HSN, right next to the speaker. And here you can see she's got the necklace on. Yes, give it to us. And the last dress that I have this is also from Forever 21. I got it like last summer, and it's this baby blue dress that goes all the way down to my ankles. And I absolutely love this dress because it's such a soft color and you could kind of do your makeup any color you want. It's spring and summer look, and I absolutely love it. This soft blue is it. I love this baby blue color. I put the jade stone back on just so it can add a different element of blue. But this dress goes all the way down to the ankles. I've got some goldish flip-flops on. And now I'm advertising flowers. Everything is so much funnier in the spring. You bought me a yacht. You shouldn't have. Paint me like one of your French girls. In quarantine. Yes, but this look is everything. Super light, super airy. Super comfortable straps. I like straps that are comfortable at the top, not ones that dig on top of your shoulders. And this material is really soft. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my spring haul collection from Target and Forever 21. I love going and finding spring outfits. I like finding outfits for whatever season we're in. I'm actually not that huge of a Target shopper for clothes, but I was so impressed by how cute the dresses were that I had to try them on. So that was my first Target outfit haul. And I usually shop at Forever 21, H&M, so I definitely wanted to try something new. I'm very pleased with how the dresses looked on me. If you guys like that content, feel free and please like, subscribe so I can know exactly what it is you guys want to see. Also in the comments, feel free to let me know what it is that you guys want to see, what type of hauls you want me to do, or just what kind of content you want me to create. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. I do post videos every week. Bye. Have a good week.